200 varieties. And her world's largest collection is at our Kahana garden in Maui. The most nutritious breadfruit Diane got was from the Samoans. It's breadfruit that's smaller than this, and it's called ma'afala. It looks similar, but it's got protein in it and very tasty. And she's given away many hundreds on the island. Through the Global Hunger Initiative, Diane now has thousands of breadfruit trees planted in tropical places all over the world. Any questions about breadfruit?
What's the name?
Breadfruit.
Where can you buy that in
Most people buy it
California?
at this stage, and if you want to get in the stage, you need to pick it.
Maybe we can ask
And
them
they're a special
if they
breadfruit.
grow in California.
You don't bruise the fruit when you knock it down.
And you can buy these in the market. Do they sell them or no?
They're not very often in the farmer's market. You will never find them in the grocery stores. If you want to experience tropical fruits, you need to go to the local farmers markets.
Okay.
This, most tropical fruits have a short shelf life,
Oh,
and grocery stores don't want to handle. They want to handle tomatoes that last a couple months on the shelf.
Sure.
They don't want to handle something that's only going to last a few days.
What's it taste
So,
similar to?
so most breadfruits come in different flavors, but on average, they taste a lot like potatoes.
oh,
You can make mashed potatoes, french fries, and chips. At this green stage, you can shred it and dry it and grind it into flour and use it for baking bread and pastry.
that's why they call it breadfruit, huh?
Yes.
Hence
So
the
this,
name.
this is the plant that Captain Bly, he had a mission to take breadfruit from the Caribbean, he had a mission to take breadfruit from the South Pacific to the Caribbean. But his first mission failed, but the second one was successful. So you can now find breadfruit down in the Caribbean. So, it's probably way more than you ever wanted to know about breadfruit. Does anyone look at this?
Interesting.
Yeah, it's so good.
Very interesting.
I want to feel that texture. Oh my God, this is totally different from durian.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is so soft.
Someone on the tour who-
Soft.
who,
Soft, dog.
you can have this breadfruit. You can have to cook it here though. You can have to cook it here.
Yeah, you can have it. You take it, me.
Not at a hotel. You can't eat it.
Yeah,
You're not going to keep that.
yeah, we could. You could, she said you could take it. Me. Just hold
It's
it.
too much weight to be carrying around.
Oh no. Okay guys, this is the breadfruit. It's actually different from the textures of the durian. The durian has a spike. This one is very soft and so, oh look at this little one on the tree. Oh my gosh, look at that. There's so many of them. I can catch up with the tourist guide because I see something that I like to see. Oops, there's something on the floor too. We can cook it, she said. So, that's a bird of paradise, snake.
There's a giant one.
Yeah, that's a bird of paradise. There's so many different kind of bird of paradise. So I'm gonna go. How many minutes is this now, though?
440.
It's almost there. Can you hold it? And I'm gonna download this. Okay, guys. Did you see some of the part of the different kind of plants over here in Kauai?